Hello, welcome to my dark home. I'm Bunny Lee, and today we are opening two more of the Monopoly Surprise Community Chest. Little chests. I still got the other ones we opened the other day over here. This thing's full. It's got all kinds of them in there. So, let's see what we get in the new ones. There's a pull thing on the bottom, or perforation on the bottom, but if you open these, you know how that tends to work. And it's not always the best, so we're going to cheat. There we go. That's what my box cutter's for. Okay, let's pop that one out. There's 10 surprises inside, and there's over 25 tokens, and there are rare ones to find. Go ahead and open this one. These were $3.75 on clearance at our Walmart. If I can find any more of these. They had a bunch of them, but I'll probably wait till they get a little cheaper before I buy any more. I like my clearance. Okay. Which one first? We'll do this one since it's facing us. Here is our paper. It says Monopoly Community Chest Checklist. There are common, rares, and ultra rares. And you can tell by the color of the little box underneath them if they're rare or ultra rare. And that is what they all look like. Now, we did get one of these, which is the ultra rare, the other day. So, pull this out. Gotta use our razor blade to cut into it there because it's packaged very nicely. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each side. So let's see, we'll start with the little ones. This is, oh look, I got the ultra rare faux diamond ring. Someone call it faux diamond ring. That's cute. Okay, we'll set it right there. Oh, these things can be a bit of a pain to open. Oh, we got Mr. Monopoly. Let's see, this one is also an ultra rare. That's pretty cool. So that's 2 ultra rares. And this is the light bulb, which is also ultra rare. And that is what the light bulb looks like. These down a little. There we go. Okay. These things don't want to open. The ones I opened the other day were a little bit easier. This is also an ultra rare Mr. Monopoly. Did I get a box of just ultra rare? Let's see. And this is the Go sign, which is that one's the go to jail sign, which is also ultra rare. I think these are really cute. Come on, zoom back in. There you go. And then we also got the This is the wallet. Did I go right past it? Very likely. Yep. It is also an ultra rare. The little wallet. If only it was real gold or real money. We'd all be buying these. People would be fighting over them like they fought over Furbies. Be like, come on to me! And here we have a hotel, which is green, which is common. The hotels are common. I got some of those the other day. I really like the little hotels in the houses. They would be great to replace your pieces with if you lose pieces. And then we got a building, which we also got the other day, if it will focus. There we go. There's the building. And it is also an ultra rare. And then we got our coin. Which is the goldish, yellowish color 50,000 coin, which is on the other side. Or is the color just different? Okay, the color on here is black. The one I got is actually gold or yellow. I don't know if that's like a misprint or what. Okay, and then last but not least, and this is also ultra rare. Woo! Almost dropped it. So we got one of these the other day. I think their colors are off because it looks purple in the thing. But this is the $1 million. I don't know if it was supposed to be, I guess, money, the Monopoly money. But, so that's what we got in the first one. So let's see what we got in the second one. See if we got anything different. Let's dump our garbage down here. Alright, we got our little community chest thing again. Paper showing us everything. And then we got our little container with our 10 packs in it. Cut it, and we're going to take it and we're going to dump it right there. And throw that in the trash down there. And let's do these first. What do we got here? Oh, we got another hotel. Then we got, if my camera will focus, a gavel. And on the front it says auctioneer. It's a finger from the bag there. And that is, it is a common. Yes, okay. We've got quite a few rares. This is the free parking, which is also common. And this is pretty cool. And then we got another hotel. So y'all been watching the new Book of Boba? It's pretty good. It's a little slow, but it's pretty good. It kind of keeps you entertained. Here's the new one. This is Mr. Monopoly guy, and he is a common Mr. Monopoly guy. This one might actually, there's two of these that look almost the same. Okay, he's the rare. The other one's got his hand lower. I didn't see two of them before, but I just noticed him, so I thought I would check him. Okay, next we have another one. This is the lower one. I don't know if you can see the difference. This is the common one. This is the uncommon one. You can barely tell the difference. His hand is in a different position than his hand. And his other hand is behind his back. Okay, and then we have a money bag, well, a money briefcase. And this is a common. That's pretty cool. It's hollow. It would be pretty heavy if it wasn't hollow, because it's got a little bit of weight to it. Excuse me. Over here yawning. And then we got the baby carriage, which we've gotten this before too. And this is also a common. And then we'll do our coin. And this one is the 10,000 coin, and it's pink. It's supposed to be red. But the 50,000 one, that's like way off. Come on, zoom in. Don't focus on the back. There we go. And there's the other side of it. And then last but not least is a common. I think we got one of these the other day too. So, what'd you all think of the Monopoly community chests? I've got 4 of the little ones to open. I'll do a video on those here in just a little bit. It'll probably come out on another day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't mind. If you want to click the notification bell so that you get updated whenever we put out a new video, that would be great. Up here in this corner, there should be a video popping up. That's our giveaway video. Oh, excuse me. As soon as we get 100 subscribers, we will be giving away everything in that video. There will be a link to the giveaway down below. If you want to click on that, we'll keep that current all the time. And we appreciate you stopping by and hope to see you again soon. Bye.